Ooh, rejections, that's tough stuff. But I know it's emotional and hardcore, but there are ways to deal with it. We'll show you how. First of all, it's very important to know that it's normal to get a rejection once in a while. Everyone gets rejection. That's part of the process. So don't worry about it. So very important, you are not the rejection. No need to feel ashamed. It's important to detach your self-worth from the rejection. Please don't compare yourself to others. Follow your own path. Please don't forget, you've already managed so much. Don't forget to celebrate your achievements. You have come to another country, you are taking classes, you're far away from the people you care about, but still you're managing. You will manage this part as well. So please start by practicing some self-care. Build up your resilience muscle. Clean up your life. Take a break. Unplug. So please keep going. Double check your application. Treat this like a project management assignment. Start by taking small steps, just like getting your CV checked at the career service, identifying companies, identifying keywords, stuff like that. And please think about, have you identified your unique selling proposition, the USP? Is your profile clear enough? And one more, learn a new skill to stay motivated. Last not least, you're not alone. Please get support from us at the career service, from other institutions, from other people. Get together with your buddies. Don't forget, you're here for a reason.